Good morning, Master Willy. How may I be of assistance to you?
Hit the lights, will ya?
Of course, Master Willy.
Oh my god. Willy Butt, can you get me some coffee, please?
How would you like your coffee, Master Willy?
Just whatever gets it here the quickest.
Of course, sir.
Oh, damn. Where the f did you learn to do that? Not bad, not bad. Much more better, much more better. What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video. Today, it's going to be short, simple, to the point. I'm announcing the next Wild Willy FPV challenge. And this month's challenge, that's right, this is a month-long challenge. This is going to be uploaded on April 31st, and the end date of the challenge will be May 31st. And for this month's challenge, it is going to be titled the One Trick Wonder Challenge. The basis of this challenge is you have to submit your best 15-second uncut clip. Basically, the point of this is that you're going to submit your best trick or best clip that you think you have ever gotten with your quad. Now, even though the title is the One Trick Wonder, it doesn't have to necessarily be a trick. It's just going to be your favorite 15-second clip that you think you've shot, or you can go out and shoot another quick little clip that you think may get you into the running for this. And on top of that, the format for this challenge has changed just a little bit. This time I'm going to be picking my top 10 favorite clips that you guys submit, and we'll be reviewing them right here on this channel in 1 month's time. And also, the submission format has changed just a little bit. Last time you could upload them pretty much wherever as long as you tagged me or sent it to me, but that ended up being really difficult to try and chase down every single clip on Instagram, every clip on YouTube, as well as combining them with the submissions I got through my email. So this time around, all submissions are going to be done through Gmail. So once you have your clip done and ready to go, you can go and upload to Google Drive, Dropbox, YouTube, Instagram, wherever, but the key this time is you have to submit it through email. So send a link to your clip to wildwillyfpv@gmail.com. Now I'll be going through the submissions throughout the month. Now also feel free to upload them to Instagram as well and tag me, upload them to YouTube, really wherever, but your official submission will be the one that is sent to my Gmail. Also, I would like to point out you can actually make multiple submissions. Later on in the month, you think you have a better clip, go ahead and just resubmit it, and that will be totally fine. But go ahead, get your 15-second clips ready, send them off to my Gmail, and I will see you guys in 1 month's time. Peace!